Service, please.
Coming, Jack. Service?
Yes. Neighbor 11.
Yes.
Yeah, seat 1, lots of gloves, seat left hand.
C1 is the club, sorry, chef?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Nothing
That's the polenta still underneath?
That is a Mexican potato.
Oh, it used to be polenta, but now it's potato? Okay.
So everything is
Oh, here,
the same.
you got it.
Yeah.
So everything else on the dish is still the same, but now it's potato instead of polenta?
Yeah.
I told you that this morning. You weren't listening to me.
Oh, you did say that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
16 is there? Okay.
Chicken. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, ready. You should go to competition, chef.
Yeah, if you only make money cleaning chickens.
Green bone, that's like when you scrape, when you're scraping, like when you take the wing off, that's nice and green on it.
No, what does it? So I come in like this, scrape. It's just habit, really.
Yeah.
You don't really need to do that. And then I pull off that, so that cleans it completely. So you lose all the cartilage that's in there.
Yeah.
And then you come in out like that, and then you have, so you lose that meat, but whatever.
Yeah.
I like the nice tall bone on it, especially with the way I'm going to prep it.
Yeah.
And then you just do that for both. And then I'll go one slice there and one slice there, and then I'll pop it out, and then it's just you come in underneath, flip it, pop it, and then you just come in underneath again, and then it's already set up to do the breast down the backbone like that. And then I'm saving the tenders because I want to make I'm going to stuff the chickens. But you get that nice.
Yeah. Just show the skin.
Yeah. And then once I roll them, when they're stuffed, they'll look nice, and that bone will be sticking out nice and hard.
Are you gonna stop
Yeah, I'm gonna make like a porcini chicken mousse and stuff them with that.
Because so small, you just rip it all out. Because so small, you just rip it all out. So we take some black peppers. It's like 10 o'clock, but bowling only starts at 8.
I don't know if we cooked off all that wild rice. But maybe we cook off a little bit more wild rice, and then we could put like. Just a little bit of gel like that. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
And what is the orange for?
Oh, the orange? Before you send it out, I just have.
Using the creme brulee, or
Yep.
are we still
No, that's it.
so no tart?
No tart,
Okay.
no nothing. That's just that. Yes, sir. Like on butter, you don't really need to toast them ahead of time. Where are you going with that? Meat, some mussels, and a soup.
Nice.
You like the Beatles?
Yeah.
Have you seen the new documentary yet?
No, not yet.
It's pretty good.
I'll check out this weekend. I like beat.
It's like the recording when they do Let It Be, like their last, so it shows their like last performance ever
Oh,
on
really?
top of the rooftop.
Beautiful dish.
As for the...
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
One second. Uzbeki? What's the name again?
Arepa.
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 I'm not good on the camera.
It's okay, you're handsome.
Oh.
So, what is in the dough?
So it's corn flour.
Corn flour.
It's called like, you know masa?
Yeah.
Like it's the same masa that you use for tacos. So in Venezuela,
Okay.
you use it to make like a sandwich. It's like like a sandwich.
Okay.
We feel like we like a margarita where I come from in the island.
Yeah.
We feel like with seafood.
Okay.
So I brought seafood for tonight for today.
Ooh. So it's only corn flour and water?
Corn flour, salt, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's gluten free, like it's
Gluten-free,
yeah,
okay.
like it's pretty healthy. This
Yeah?
dough.
Nice.
So you want like a you want something like round.
Soft like baby's butt,
Yeah, exactly.
right?
Yeah.
Like you said before.
Well, that's the
Yeah.
point of this career, right? Like you meet a lot of people around the world,
Yeah.
then you learn about food, right?
Yeah. Especially in Canada, it's multicultural, so
Yeah. Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, we can learn many cuisines. We have one of the dish. It's Korean street food.
Yeah.
Make it is pretty much the same,
Yeah.
but make it sweeter. It's more detailed.
Oh, yeah,
So
and fried.
we put filling, make a filling like a cinnamon roll filling, a
Okay.
little bit brown sugar, and a little bit of nuts,
Yeah.
and peel inside, and we can grill in.
water is really moisture.
Okay.
You use your hand to dry it out at the outside. We're putting a little more oil there. So with the hands you dry it out.
Yeah.
So it gets like a texture that you can mold it, right?
It's very similar way. I just mentioned that we call it hot dog.
Okay.
Hot dog. Dog means in Korea is rice cake. Rice
Yeah.
cake. Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, they need it more.
Yeah.
They need it
Yeah.
more.
Little longer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make it high a little bit.
No, keep it like that because
Okay.
I wanted to cook slowly.
Yeah. Okay.
So it doesn't burn out.
Slow cook. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Give it the pro. Give it the pro. What you making, chef?
Pork tenderloin, bacon wrapped with mustard.
Yummy.
This is why you turn the oven off last night? What do you do? Just turn the oven off? Or you just turn on and work? Oh no.
Bacon, pork tenderloin, and mustard.
Pork and mustard. White man dish right there.
This man?
Yeah, exactly. This man. This white man. You won't even tell, chef. A bit okay.
Good smoking butts.
2 weeks off the butts and now he's no
2
butts.
weeks, been 3 weeks.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
It's sourdough, right?
Yeah.
Christmas.
We have some left, and tomorrow there will be even better.
What, those? Yeah. Oh, way better. Skinless.
Yeah. Help.